All right.
All right. पहला क्वेश्चन क्या कह रहा है जी, हाउ डज द कॉन्सेप्चुअल फ्रेमवर्क डिफाइन एन एसेट। ठीक है, तो a resource owned by an entity as a result of past events and from which future economic benefits are expected to flow to the entity। नहीं, a resource over which an entity has legal right as a result of past events and from which economic benefits are expected to flow to entity, ये भी नहीं। A resource is controlled by an entity as a result of past events and from which future economic benefits are expected to flow to entity, बिल्कुल सी सही सी होगा। नेक्स्ट है, which of the following would be classified as liability। Dexter business manufactures a product under license in 12 months time the license expires and Dexter will have to pay 50,000 for it to be renewed। नहीं। Reckless purchase an investment 9 months ago for 120। The market for this investment has now fallen and reckless investment ये भी नहीं होगा liability। Carter estimated the tax charge of its profit for the year ended as 165,000, ये है आपकी liability। Which of the one of the following would correctly describe the net realizable value of 2-year-old asset? The original cost of the asset has less 2 years depreciation, नहीं, the amount that could be obtained from selling the asset less any cost of disposal। इसका आंसर होगा बिल्कुल बी होगा, जो कि एसेट को सेल करके आएगा वो कॉस्ट ऑफ डिस्पोजल में आती है, लेस एनी कॉस्ट ऑफ डिस्पोजल, बिल्कुल ठीक ही आएगा। नंबर 4, the conceptual framework defines an underlying assumption in preparing financial statement। This is going concern, materiality, substance of form या accruals। going concern assumption होती है, तो ये ए इसका आंसर हो जाएगा। ठीक है जी, आगे चलते हैं। The conceptual framework identify 4 enhancing qualitative characteristics of financial information for which of this characteristic is disclosure of accounting policies particularly। तो वेरिफाइबिलिटी, टाइमलीनेस या कंपैरेबिलिटी। कंपैरेबिलिटी होगा इसका आंसर, के कंपैरेबल होनी चाहिए अकाउंटिंग पॉलिसीज, बिल्कुल। व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ पर्पस ऑफ द आईएएसबी कॉन्सेप्चुअल फ्रेमवर्क? टू असिस्ट आईएएसबी, ये है। टू असिस्ट ऑडिटर्स इन फॉर्मिंग एन ओपिनियन, ये भी है। टू असिस्ट इन डिटरमाइन द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ आइटम्स नॉट कवर्ड बाय एक्जिस्टिंग आईएफआरएस, ये भी है। To be authoritative where a specific IFRS conflicts with the conceptual framework, बिल्कुल ये है। ये नहीं है, आई मीन ये आंसर होगा हमारा। ठीक, आगे नेक्स्ट। आगे क्या है हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 7। क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 क्या कह रहा है जी आपको कि recognition is a process of including liability including within the financial statement which meets the definition of an element according to the ISB financial reporting conceptual framework of financial reporting। Which of the items should be recognized an asset in statement of financial position of the company? अच्छा जी, तो skill and efficient workforce which has been very expensive to train, नहीं, एम्प्लॉयज की ट्रेनिंग कभी भी कैपिटलाइज नहीं होगी। हाईली ल्यूक्रेटिव कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन ड्यूरिंग द ईयर व्हिच इज ड्यू टू कम इन शॉर्टली आफ्टर द ईयर एंड, ये भी नहीं होगा। अच्छा जी, गवर्नमेंट ग्रांट रिलेटिंग टू परचेज ऑफ आइटम ऑफ सेवरल व्हिच हैज अ रिमेनिंग लाइफ ऑफ 4 years, ये भी फिलहाल नहीं होगा। Receivable from customer which has been sold factor to finance company, the finance company has full resource to the company for any losses, ये होगा क्योंकि भाई रिकवरेबल है और अगर कोई लॉसेस होता है तो फैक्टर आपको पे ऑफ करेगा, तो ये एसेट में आएगा। कंपैरेबिलिटी इज आइडेंटिफाइड as an enhancing qualitative characteristics in the ISB conceptual framework for the financial reporting, which of the following does not improve comparability? restating the financial statement of previous years when there has been a change of accounting policy, ये improve करेगा बिल्कुल. तो prohibiting changes of accounting policy unless required by IFRS, ये भी करेगा. Discounting, disclosing discounting operations in the fine, ये भी improve करेगा. Applying the entity's current accounting policy to the transaction which entity has not engaged in before, ये नहीं करेगा. आगे चलें जी. ओके, अब सेक्शन बी का हमारे पास क्वेश्चन आ जाता है OTQ. देखते हैं जरा. The accountant of Lisbon is considering a number of transactions and events and how they should be treated in accordance with the concepts and qualitative characteristics of financial information as set out in the conceptual framework. During the year ended 31st March 2006, Lisbon experienced the following transactions or events. So, पहला क्वेश्चन देखते हैं जी. Accountant is aware that some member of the board of Lisbon has little understanding of accounting and is worried about his preparation of the financial statement at the board meeting. How should he deal with this situation? Okay. In doing his preparation, he should omit any complex issues so that everybody can understand what he is saying. गलत बात भाई, सब कुछ करना. He should open his presentation with the advice that some of them may not understand all of it. ये भी गलत बात. He should classify characteristics and present the information clearly and precisely. बिल्कुल सही है ये. अगला ऑप्शन देखने की जरूरत नहीं है. Which concept or qualitative characteristics has influenced the decision in one above? अच्छा जी, देखते हैं. वन में क्या, sold an asset to finance company and lease it back for the remainder of its useful life. The accountant has decided that this should be treated as secured loan. ये आपका आएगा फेथफुल रिप्रेजेंटेशन में आएगा. क्यों आएगा? क्योंकि सब्सटेंस ऑफ जो है ट्रांजैक्शन का वो लोन वाला है, तो फेथफुल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ठीक ठाक उसमें आएगा ये. फिर in looking at two above, the accountant decide that the properties should be revalued. Which concept or qualitative characteristic has been applied in making this decision? Materiality नहीं, going concern नहीं, relevance में आएगा. Relevancy में क्यों आएगा? रेलिवेंसी में क्योंकि हिस्टोरिकल कॉस्ट प्रॉपर्टीज की जो है वो लेस रेलेवेंट होती है, करंट वैल्यू ज्यादा होती है. फिर बिकॉज loss on operating the group shops, the accountant is considering the issue of going concern. If it were decided that Lisbon was no longer a going concern at 31st March, which of the following would apply in accordance with the conceptual framework? Financial statements do not need to be prepared. नहीं बनानी तो है. All the assets should be liquidated. नहीं. Financial statement should be prepared on different basis. बिल्कुल different basis में नॉन करंट भी करंट हो जाएंगे. ब्रेकअप बेसिस जिसे हम लोग कहते हैं. In applying the principles of the comparability, how should the change of inventory valuation basis be accounted for? This is क्या होगा भाई? Change should be disclosed. Financial statement for the 31st March should both methods. Note should show that profit would have been if the change had not taken place. In the financial statement for the period prior period as shown at 31st March actually should be restated using the weighted average basis. बिल्कुल ठीक, क्योंकि ये चेंज ऑफ अकाउंटिंग पॉलिसी और इंफॉर्मेशन जो है वो रेट्रोस्पेक्टिवली, यानी कि आने वाले दिनों से इसमें चेंजेस आएंगी. ठीक है जी. उसके बाद नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा आता है. The process for developing an international financial reporting standard involves a number of stages. Following receipt and review of comments on discussion paper, what will be the next step undertaken by the IASB? नया स्टैंडर्ड बन रहा है, नंबर ऑफ स्टेजेस होती हैं जी, और जब कमेंट्स मिल जाएंगी तो फिर अब क्या करेगा? पब्लिकेशन ऑफ एक्सपोजर ड्राफ्ट. ए बिल्कुल सही है. पहला, इसके बाद यही होता है कि एक्सपोजर ड्राफ्ट जो है वो पब्लिश किया जाता है. Which of the following would not be advantage of an adopting IFRS? इसमें से क्या इसका एडवांटेज नहीं है? It would be easier to investor to comment the financial statement of company with those of नहीं, ये तो एडवांटेज में आता है. क्रॉस बॉर्डर लिस्टिंग would be facilitated, ये भी एडवांटेज में आता है. accountants and auditors would have more defense in case of litigation. By less defense होता है, more नहीं होता, ये advantage नहीं है, ये आंसर है। अच्छा जी, रेगुलेटरी फ्रेमवर्क का अब नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारे पास आता है। Which two of the following statement regarding statement of regulation of accounting are true? Principle based system will require more detailed regulation than a rule based system. nahi, a rule based system will tend to give rise to a large number of accounting standards than a principle based system. बिल्कुल आएगा। Principal system seeks to cover every eventually nahi, principal system requires the exercise of more judgment, बिल्कुल more judgment होती है in application than a rule based system, ये भी ठीक है इसका, right?